Hello guys, and today I will be doing something a little different. I will be reviewing 6 of my own slimes. So let's get started with this one. Very nice. And this is a really nice slime. It has a couple of beads in it. Super stretchy. This is actually like one of my favorites. It's got like clear beads in it. It's got these beads in it. And it's actually really nice. When you order from me, there will be no hair in your slime or anything. And this is one of my favorite slimes, but definitely not my favorite. You can also customize your own slimes this big for $7, and you get to customize it. Like, you can put 3 colors in it and stuff, and I will do it, and then you get it. You can order it, and then you get it, and it's packaged really nicely in either these containers or these containers. So yeah, that was the first slime. I love this slime, and it is called a wad of bubblegum, so it's called bubblegum. That's what people call it. The next one is bread slime. It comes with this charm. Someone customized it, and it came with this charm, this orange charm. But then the reason why we call it bread is because it's a bread color. The only reason why there's a peach in it is because someone customized it to have a peach in it, or a orange in it, or whatever that is. And then this slime is so good. It's a bread color, and they also put sparkles in it. If you can see them, I don't think you can, but in real life it's really easy to see them. And this is probably it's probably not better than the pink one, but I still like it. It does leave just a little bit of glitter residue on your hands, but that's because I added a lot of glitter in this one. But this slime is just really nice, and I would order this one for $10 if it was $10. This was actually $7, but we do have some $5 and $3 slimes. It's only if you customize it that it's $7, and I'll let you take a look at that. Yeah, so this slime is just really nice. The next slime was also $7. And this one's a little bit more of a stickier slime. More of a stickier, stretchier side of it. And I do make these, hand make them. It's not just one big batch. You customize it, so I have to make them individually. I've just started this slime business, so yeah. And I'm only taking orders on Poshmark right now. My friend is doing the slime business with me. It is called Ace's Slime. And it's just really nice. This one was also a customization, so it was $7. It's a pink one with beads in it. Like, you can get like bracelet beads in it, and actually quite a few people got bracelet beads in their slime. But the first one was not bracelet beads. That was a different kind of beads. We only have a couple colors of those though. There's like Christmas colors. This one was actually $5 because someone can customize it. So if you do get a random $5 slime, so randoms are $5, and if you do get a random $5 slime, then we promise you there'll be glitter in it. Either glitter in it, a charm or something. This one had glitter. And yours will either have like beads, glitter, or a charm or something. And this was $5 here. And then there was a couple discounted slime discounts. People got discounts. So yeah, there was a couple $3 slimes, like this one, $3. This one has a purple base, and this one was a random $3 slime, so it did come with a charm. It's down. It kind of floated to the bottom here, because this one is a little bit of a thinner texture slime, so this charm did go to the bottom. This charm was a fish charm, and I thought the colors just went good together. Oopsies, I should probably get that. This slime was a little bit stickier, but that's why the customer wanted it stretchy. That's the only thing that they requested. And so I made it purple, stretchy, and this is probably one of my stretchier slimes. And then it comes with this little charm. And as you can see, the slime is really nice. And this one is actually one of my favorites. Probably better than the pink one. This one is just plain and I like it. So go buy and Poshmark, my slime shop. Okay, and then this one is one of those thicker kind of jelly-ish slimes that like wiggle, you know? This isn't one of like the stretchy ones. This is supposed to be like cereal themed. It's white for milk, and then it's got beads in it for like the cereal. And this one is one of those jiggly slimes. It's not really stretchy. Well, it's not that stretchy. Like it doesn't come together that well. It's like hard to stretch because it's one of those jiggly slimes. So if you do buy from me, this is probably like one I don't know. I don't like this one a lot. It's good to play with on the table, and it's got good bubble pops, but I don't think it's good for stretching, and I like stretching my slimes. But I did create this for people who don't like stretching it. Or just if you want jiggly slime. This one was a little bit cheaper though. It's $3 for this one. So you do get a discount, but it's not as stretchy. Like, as you can see, it's ripping when I stretch it this far. if you stretch it slow, it's actually really stretchy, but if you stretch it fast, it will rip. So yeah, I advise you stretch this one slowly. However, I do like this slime still, and I would still buy it for $3. It's just not one of my favorites. So now that we've played with them, we're going to check out the looks. So first one is the white slime. Here I'm going to get some of the beads to the top so that you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It can, it's really nice and good to play with in the container, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about looks. This one looks like milk with cereal in it. The next one is this purple one, and let me get the charm to the top because I was playing with it, and the charm's at the bottom now. But I always do put the charms at the top if you order from me, and they probably will stay up there unless you get one of the stretchier slimes, and that's really thin. Like this one, I didn't activate all the way because I want it really stretchy and a thin texture. And then there's a charm, so that's what this one looks like. If you are one of the people who bought from me, thank you for buying from me. Some of the smaller slimes go in these containers though. That's why I have those. Okay, and then this one is a pink slime with beads in it. And if you don't think they look good, do not get mad at me. I did not customize them. Like this one was customized. They just got a discount and a little bit of smaller slime. This one was not customized. And this one was not customized. And all the rest of them were customized. So yeah, this one's customized and it looks pretty good. I like this one. I can just not resist playing with this one. I do like the stretchier and stickier slimes more than other slimes. Then this one is another slime that looks like good. This one just reminds me of ice cream for some reason. And then this is the packaging for some of them. These are the packaging, but then for the smaller $3, these are the packaging. Unless you got a discount for $3, then you'll probably get this packaging. So yeah, and then the next one is this one. This one I did not do. This one was customized, and that's what it looks like when it comes to you. But I really do like this slime. But I think it is better to play with without the charm in it. I just don't like playing with slimes with the charm in there. It just feels terrible. So this is what it looks like when you get it. And then there's this one. This one I didn't customize either. Or this one was customized too. $7. And that's what it looks like. It does have some clear beads in there. If you can see them, there's one right there. And yeah, it's just hard to see. So this one's slime is really good. It's thick but really stretchy. I like thick and stretchy ones and thin and stretchy ones. And this one is one of the thicker ones. This is one of the thick and stretchy ones, and then this one is one of the thin and stretchy ones. Because this definitely is not thick. I didn't activate it all the way, and that's how you get it to a thinner and stickier texture. But it does not stick to your hands. If you're good at playing with slime, like if you're really bad at playing with slime, I would suggest you get a thick and stretchy one. Like, see, it's like really, it doesn't stick to me. When I take it out and play with it, it does not stick to me. But it might stick to you because it's a thinner texture. It sticks to me a little bit, but not that much. So if you're really good at playing with slime, I suggest this one because I do like it the same as that one. But if you do like thicker slimes, I would suggest the thicker and stretchier. Unless you don't like stretchy slimes, then you should just get the cereal slime. So yeah, these are some of my favorite slimes that I have made. And then there are a couple of slimes that people like just ordered, and I would like to show you them too. People, when you order your slime, it'll come like this. Or like this. Because I run out of ribbons sometimes, so it might come like this. And I do tape the top. I need to retape that. And then some of them I didn't play with because they are two different colors and I can't mix them together. But this is a galaxy slime and it has glitter on top that you get to mix in, whoever bought that. Then there's this basketball one, but it has a clay piece on the bottom. It has a basketball clay piece in there, and the person who bought it gets to mix that in with their slime. Then there's this one, and this one's really nice too. I like this one. And yeah, that one is like green, and it's got a green bow in it. And then this one I can't mix together because if you see those blue highlights in there, or if they're white on your camera, and when she mixes it, it'll come out, like the blue will come out. But then she has a coffee charm in there. She got a random, so I customized this. And then the coffee lid. This one just has happy slimes on the lid because I didn't really know what to put on the lid. This one has the galaxy sticker, so I decided just to keep going like that. And then this one's a basketball themed one that they customized, so they don't really get anything on their lid. So thank you guys for watching, and bye!